If you need to request a refund from Outlook 2026, follow these straightforward steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Check refund eligibility. Before initiating a refund, review the refund policy for Outlook 2026. Ensure that your purchase meets the criteria for a refund, such as being within the refund period and having a valid reason for the request. Step 2. Sign into your account. Log into your Microsoft account associated with your Outlook 2026 subscription. This is necessary to access your purchase history and initiate the refund process. Step 3. Access purchase history. Navigate to the Services and Subscriptions section of your account. Here, you'll find a list of your purchases, including Outlook 2026. Locate the specific purchase for which you want a refund. Step 4. Initiate the refund request. Select the purchase and look for the option to request a refund. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information, including the reason for your refund request. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After completing the refund request form, submit it and wait for confirmation from Microsoft. You should receive an email regarding the status of your refund request within a few days. Once you've followed these steps, keep an eye on your email for updates from Microsoft regarding your refund.